my brain.
Copy that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how long it's gonna take. I said we get this done in 20 minutes.
Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
I thought I was going to use a screwdriver. I thought I was going to use a screwdriver for this. That's so disrespectful. That's why I said bring the gun because I can do it. Screw gun.
Yeah, screw gun.
But they start trying to mark me.
You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry.
That one wound up. That one might be.
You trying to help me? I see you trying to wait.
That one wound up for sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
I had to move it a little bit.
Whatever. What's right up in there? Hurry.
Yeah.
So these black little nails go.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach and get to know me, baby. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. It's not going well.
Oh, like he was one under here, like in the back, like this one. This is
Oh yeah,
in the back.
yes.
You know that.
Wait, no, hold on. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the top. Okay, it's gonna be about, okay. Right there, boom, like that. That's how.
You know that.
That's how we go. Hold up. Gracias.
I'm a producer, an artist, and a Bob the Builder. I get it done in 20 minutes.
Sure you do.
Every time. Put your dead frame together and everything. Yep. This is definitely not the same size we had at the old house. The other one was way bigger. It was
You know what?
Bigger.
Yeah, it was. It was a little fancier, like a little round piece.
It It was dusty as hell. Dusty as hell.
Better. It was way better.
It was old.
This is crap.
This one is cute and petite, and you could.
No, yeah, I remember that. You said something. Yeah, the other one was.
It was way big, and it had a back to it. Mine had no back, so if a book slide out, it slide out.
But the backs be flimsy anyway. They need to
I'm gonna just put up against the wall. Hopefully they don't.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
K goes to P. So P is this one, right? Yep. So you're gonna put K, the bottom piece is supposed to stick into it like this. You gotta screw it like this. Oh, yep. See. Stick something in there and screw it that way. Like I told y'all, 20, but you know, you never want to overestimate. I rather overestimate than underestimate, so like I said, handle that. For real. With help from my assistant.
Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up.
Hold on, yeah, you have to do that. At least it was wrong. You want? While I go get the coffee, you flip it upside down with the mouth. Use the mouth. And then this you can do this when you want. You just put these on the screw heads, so it can look all black, so you can see the silver. Papa hold it more than that's another thing.
I hope.
No, because a lot of times eventually they'll spend some time and they'll pop back out anyway.
Well, that didn't take too long. So you don't have to get locked out the front.
Keep focus on. Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself.
Like what?
To keep playing this.
What?
Back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I.
Oh, like in the back?
You on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I have.
Yes, I'm not gonna use it. I'll cover the little screw pieces, I guess, but I don't know what the hell they're talking about. For real, I don't have time. Now the screw covers go in here. I don't know where these go. I think I'm supposed to go on it before we screw it, so I'm not gonna use it. Cause I don't see no holes on here for that.
No, it's just no. That's just for the bottom. Remember you need it for.
You could stick it anywhere?
No.
Cause there's no holes for it.
Yeah.
I can stick it anywhere?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay. Cause I thought it was for the bottom so it could scratch the floor.
Yeah, that's it.
I turned it down, I'm like, where the holes
You're just a girl.
at? Basically, I'm over here scratching my leg and stuff. Like,
Where Melody?
Did you take it?
Don't tell me that. Let me see you now. Oh, yes. That's another we about to say.
Smash it.
I gave you glue to the glue.
Okay. But make sure I like, comment, subscribe. And I will be back with more videos.
Think my brain is made for